Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to accept a community invite on Viber. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Viber app and look through your conversations. Find and tap on the conversation where the community invitation was sent to you. This could be from a friend, colleague, or any contact who wants to add you to their Viber community. Once you tap on that conversation, you'll be able to see the full invitation message. Now, within this conversation, you'll notice the community invitation displayed clearly. It will typically show some details about the community and give you the option to join. Go ahead and tap on the Join Community button. This is your first step to accepting the invitation and getting access to the community's content and discussions. After tapping Join Community, a new screen will appear showing you more detailed information about the community you're about to join. Here you'll see the community name displayed at the top, along with the current number of members who are already part of it. This gives you a quick overview of how active and populated the community is before you commit to joining. Take a moment to review this information and make sure it's the community you want to be part of. Once you've confirmed that this is the right community for you, tap the Join Community button once more to finalize your membership. This second tap confirms your decision and officially adds you to the community. The app will process your request, and within seconds, you'll become an active member with full access to all community posts, discussions, and shared content. And that's it. You've successfully joined the Viber community and can now start engaging with other members. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.